What up, guys? Harrison. Sorry for that time that I just did. I mean, I have no clue. I mean, seriously, but let's go ahead and for that. Put this in the actual game. I mean, something else great. This might be the return of it. I mean, it's got some good reviews, but it's not really that good. It's not that good of a ripoff. I mean, so this might be the return. It was created by a different police or person, say. Oh, right. I forgot. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this. Oh, shoot. Maybe I should go ahead and say this. Why is there blue scrambled metal? I'm sorry, I'm just being ridiculous. Let's go ahead. By the way, I don't have that much time, so let's go ahead and try beat my high score. I mean, my mom's taking a shower and it's about my bedtime. Like, seriously. But I have to wait before I go to sleep after because I'm okay. I also am kind of scared of sleeping by myself, but not that much. I mean, seriously. Oh, come on! Let me just tell you something about this bird. If he doesn't even dare... Come on! Oh my goodness, this is going to be a hard game. Oh, come on! There's only... Okay. So, have you ever played Cuphead? Well, I have it on my grandma's computer, but I don't know if I'll be able to, I don't know if I'll be able to go ahead and make a video about it because it's on the computer and I use my phone as a camera. Whenever I get a professional camera, I will do it. By the way, guys, can you please give me some tips on how to, how to, transfer like a channel to like any device. Like, seriously, give me some tips. Which most of you never comment. Please comment, please comment, please. Okay, I'm sorry. I was just about to go. I was having the idea of doing this. Please comment, and then just annoying you. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. Hello. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just trying to pretend that I'm speeding that up, but I wasn't. I can also change my voice to a squeaky voice. Yay! Okay, I'm sorry. That's kind of funny. Every doodle flop. Okay, credits for that one is whoever created. I forgot his name. The credits to that one is I don't remember his name, but whoever made I can't remember the title of it, but whoever created that yeah, I don't know if you watched it. Whoever created the title to it, credits to him. Okay, let's go ahead. Seriously, do you, Croder? Sometimes I just don't get you, but I don't get the bird either. So I mean, seriously. Why does he need our help to literally go through the pipes? I mean, can't birds fly? Oh, right. He doesn't remember how to fly. Shoot. Ooh, I'm getting it over. Doing good. I know he just threw my phone. I threw my phone. When my mom gets out of the shower, that's the end of the video. By the way, the return of this. I mean, seriously, this is a pretty good game. I wonder how you make games. Well, I'm guessing that's the end of this video. Goodbye, guys.